essentially is an enterprise application development platform that enables enterprise IT teams to mobilize business processes quickly and move forward new initiatives with ease. However, before we try to understand what the Move Forward Business Platform is, it's important to understand the need for such a platform. And to understand the need, we need to understand where the enterprise is coming from. The enterprise today is coming from the world of web into the shiny new world of mobile technology. However, these two worlds are fundamentally different. In the world of web, you create web applications that have a broad range of functionality and that appeal to an even broader range of users. Furthermore, enterprises deploy multiple applications, multiple web applications to get their job done. And at some points in time, there are multiple applications for a single business unit or process. Now, both of these scenarios do not work on a mobile stage. Within the mobile world, users expect a single application which is focused, which is targeted, which is tailored to their needs, and they hate switching between applications. If someone wants information, they want all the information from a single application without going to different areas of their mobile device. They're also used to very, very nice applications on their mobile devices. So they expect their enterprise apps to be as slick and sexy as the other applications they're using on their device. Now, we've understood the need from a user, but this also translates into a technology need. In single word, that need is fragmentation. All mobile enterprise application platforms answer one question at the core. How do we manage fragmentation? The real deal is, at Move Forward, we answer this question at two very different levels. At one end, we have the fragmentation of devices, a very well-known industry phenomena. We all know what it is. I'm not going to really talk about it. All solutions claim to handle it at some level or the other. However, the 800-pound gorilla in the room is what we call fragmentation at source. Now, what is this fragmentation at source? Enterprises, however big and small, they have existing investment in technology. They have a bunch of systems, line of business processes, staff, systems that work more or less in silos. They don't really talk to each other. There are some integration hooks here and there, but by and large, they work in silos. Now, there's a huge wave of cloud-based services that is coming through right now, and enterprises really want to capitalize on it because they provide biggest bang for the buck. So that adds to this fragmentation flow. So what we have, a bunch of systems, they do not talk to each other. We integrate them artificially to get the job done. And that's a huge problem within the enterprises, how to manage this fragmentation. Now, the fact is, enterprise mobility is more about the enterprise than it is about mobility. So we need to handle this fragmentation. Most solutions, most mobility solutions ignore this problem altogether. So what is the solution? The solution is a platform that can create new channels of communication between these digital silos, extracts greater value out of these, and delivers that value as an effective, efficient mobile application that runs consistently across a wide variety of smartphones, tablets, and via the web on the mobile devices. The only such platform that I know of today is Move Forward. And this is the Move Forward approach. At the core of Move Forward, we have what we call the enterprise mashup engine, which intuitively, intelligently, and securely connects disparate data sources, services, processes, cloud-based assets, and resources, and brings them and mashes them up together to extract greater value out of those. Behind the scenes, we have a technology called dynamic data interchange, or DIN, as we call it with love, which translates data flow in real time to a common language so that all of these disparate systems can talk to each other. On the front end, we have the Rich Connected Application Runtime, or the RCA runtime, which works across devices and on the web via HTML5 to render beautiful applications that are consistent not only from a user's point of view, but also from the point of view of the way you use a particular device. I don't really know if I have time enough or not, but this is a real-world example. We are working with an educational institution to mobilize their processes, and they're a large institution, 50,000, 60,000 people. Am I done? 1 more minute to go. Brilliant. So they have a huge organization, 60,000 students. They have LDAP for authentication, SAP for financial data and other things. They have Blackboard as a learning management system. They have Aqua browsers and libraries. They have about 15 custom developed systems, and they were not talking to each other at all. Now, we have taken all of these systems and matched them up and brought them to the mobile device as an application called Moofwd. We are right now finishing the beta, and it's getting rave reviews. If you want to know more about it, I'm right there at the pod. You can come and talk to me about it, and I'll be happy to walk you through it. Finally, I want to talk about this. With Moofwd, the whole, which is an application created via the Moofwd platform, is way more than the sum of its parts, which is the digital silos or the fragmented devices, working in silos. And that's an important distinction, and again, we can walk through it at a later point. And finally, I'll leave you with a very cheeky shot that we do not simply provide enterprise mobility solution, we mobilize enterprises. Thanks a lot, friends, and have a great time here at the CTIA. Bye-bye.